ma'am, since busy man kay kakaroon, kaya nag-FYP. So, we've decided na mag-video na lang ni during sa actual na operation sa mga FM modulation. So, start with the carrier frequency 35 something kilohertz, and
and
this is the
amplitude star.
this is the
On time. Okay.
this is the carrier frequency signal, and our modulating signal
frequency.
ay modulating frequency 0.288
88
kilohertz, and
hertz. Alag.
mani siya ang modulating frequency signal. So next is
The FM
the
signal.
FM signal.
Hindi nila ito.
That is our
Yan na po rin makita nyo. Dili ba ka nang pinan? Kita ba?
This is our FM signal.
so we will fed it in our circuit.
Oh, ay, kajit lang. Hey ma'am, joke lang. Diba ma'am, we all know na ang circuit na gigamit itong last time kaya wala nag-work. So we changed our circuit diagram into this circuit diagram, which is kani, which we will present sa among report para ma'am na mo ipasa. Then instead of magsulda may, since mag-take man siya time, amo na siyang gibutan sa breadboard. Mo niya mong kuan ma'am. So now we will now demodulate the FM signal that we presented.
So from the FM circuit, we will fed it to our circuit, and we'll then measure the output frequency. That is our modulated frequency, having a frequency of 0.4.
To prove to prove nga wala gid mi nagminaro. To prove ma'am nga wami nagminaro ma'am, ibalik ani course ibalik. Wala gid na mo gi-alter ang level ma'am. Wala na gid na mo gi-magic, wala na mo siya gi-magic. Pero since amo pa nang yana ma'am. Same ra gyapon. Pero kung amo ipadako ang level, same ra gyapon ma'am. So no magic has been done. So that's it then. That's it ma'am. Thank you and God bless. Ay, ano gi-picture nako?